Dear students and parents, first of all, praise the Lord, all of you. Here, Mr. Vijay sir, your new math teacher. Today, we are going to read chapter 6, algebraic expression. First of all, we shall try to understand what is the meaning of algebraic expression, which is your chapter name. So let us see here. First, we shall define some word, some term. You have to listen very carefully, and if you get any problem, then you can visit in your school between 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning. So let us see here. Algebraic expression, a number or combination of number including literal numbers. Here we shall understand the meaning of literal numbers. Literal means alphabet. Whatever you see in alphabet means A, B, C, D, dash, X, Y, Z. This is called literal number, means alphabetically number, connected by the symbols of operation plus, minus, multiply and division is called an algebraic expression. Example here, 2x, 3x plus 5y, 2x square plus 3y plus 4z etc. Just understand in another language what is the meaning of algebraic expression. We see like this term, 8x square 4z 3x square, like this. Whatever you see in this form number term, this is called algebraic expression. Means expression in the combination of alphabet plus mathematically sign plus counting number. That is called algebraic expression. So let us see next term. Note the mathematically numbers used in algebraic expression are called constant. What is constant? We shall discuss again. And the literal numbers x, y, z etc. are called variables. Variables. The several parts of an expression are called terms. So we have to understand meaning of three terms: constant, variable and terms. If we discuss about in this example, here term. In this example, first of all see what is term. So in this example I have only one term, but in this example we have 1, 2, 3, means 1, 2, 3, total 3 term. Again here 1, 2, 3 term. Again in this example we have two terms. So if we talk about term, then we have to just see how many times we have used symbol of mathematically operation, means plus, minus, multiply, like this. So here one term, three term, 1, 2, 3, three term, here 1, 2, 3, three term, and here 1 and 2 term, and two term. So term means how many parts you are looking in algebraic expression. And once again here constant. So what is meaning of constant? So whatever you are looking here mathematically terms, means counting number 1, 2, 3, these are called constant. So in this term 3 is constant and alphabetically number, that means A, B, C, D. These are called variables. Once again, mathematically terms constant, alphabetically terms variable, and both combination means mathematically and arithmetically are called terms. So let us see your next part. Thank you. Let us see here some term: monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. We shall try to understand the meaning of following terms. First of all, see meaning of monomial: an algebraic expression having only one term. If you are looking only one term, this is called monomial. Once again, an algebraic expression having only one term is called monomial. Binomial, an algebraic expression having two terms. If you are looking two terms, then this is called binomial. Like this, 1 and 1, total two terms. This is called binomial. Trinomial, an algebraic expression having three terms. If you are looking three terms, this is called trinomial. Example here, 1, 2, 3. This is called trinomial. And last, multinomial. Multinomial means having more than three terms. An algebraic expression more than three terms is called multinomial. If you count here, one term, two term, three term, four term, total more than three term, hence this is called multinomial. Once again, quick revise what you have learned in this part. An algebraic expression having one term is called monomial, two term is called binomial, three term is called trinomial, and more than three term is called multinomial. Now just recall what you have learned. Here you are looking two term, one term and one term. Two term. Two term means binomial. This is the example of binomial. And if we talk about this having only one term means monomial. So 1 and 1, two term, binomial, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total more than three term means multinomial. This is 1, 2, 3. Trinomial, one term, multinomial, again two term, binomial, and here more than three term. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multinomial, and again 1, 2, 3. Three term means trinomial. So binomial, multinomial, trinomial, monomial, binomial. This is called multinomial, and here three term means trinomial. So just see next part. Thank you. Like and unlike term. What is called like and unlike term? Terms having same combination of literal numbers. We have to focus on literal numbers. If alphabetically numbers are same, this is called like term. Otherwise called unlike term. Once again repeat, terms having same combination of literal numbers are called like term, otherwise unlike term. Just see example here, 2x. Also see here 4x. This is 6x. Alphabetically number is same, x, x, x. So these are like terms. If you choose this number, here 4x square z, x square z. You have to just match this variable. X square z is variable and 4 is constant. In previous part I have told you. So x square z. See here 6x square z. 9x square z. So 1, 2, 3. These are called like terms. Together 1, 2, 3. These are like terms and these are like terms, and remaining 3xy, 6xy, like that. But if you talk about 1 and 1, this and this, these are called unlike that. Why? Because here variables is different. Here x, y and here only x. So this is not like, means unlike that. And this like that. Second part, degree of an algebraic expression. How will you find degree of algebraic expression? What is called degree? Degree means power. You are looking here many power 4, 6, 3. How will you find degree of an algebraic expression? The highest exponent of variable in algebraic expression is called degree of algebraic expression. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Just see highest power. Highest power is 3, 2 and here nothing, means 1. 1 is hidden. So degree of polynomial will be highest power, means 3. But in this part, degree of polynomial will be highest power 6. So degree of polynomial will be 6. Next part, if an algebraic expression contains two variables, say x and y, then its degree is the highest exponent, means power of the term obtained by adding the exponents of the variable. Means if you are looking more than 1, means 2 or 3 variables, there you have to add the total power. After adding, the obtained number will be degree of polynomials. Just see in this example, here 2 variables, x also and z also. So x power 3 and z power 1. 1 is always hidden. We do not write like this, but to solve your question, I am writing here 1. 1 is always hidden. So degree of polynomial will be 3 and 1. 3 and 1 is equal to 4. So in this example, just see here, degree of polynomial will be 5 and y to the power 1. 1 is hidden. Total 5 plus 1, 6. Answer will be 6. So highest power of polynomial is called degree of expression. If polynomial contains two terms, there we have to add the power. Thank you. Your introduction part complete. Next video we shall start your chapter 6.1. Thank you. Have a nice day.